Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Heyday account using the Heyday application on your mobile device. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. Open your Heyday application from the app drawer, and then from this page, you can either tap on the login with Supercell ID, or if you don't want to log in and play without logging in, tap on this play without Supercell ID and you'll be able to play the game just fine. But if you want to log in with Supercell ID, then tap on the login with Supercell ID button. Now it'll take you to this page where you'll need to choose the login to Supercell ID, tap the continue button, and then enter your email associated with your Supercell ID in the text bar. Once typing in your email, if you'd like to be remembered on this device for future use, check this little box at the bottom. If not, leave the box unchecked and tap login. Now, wait for a verification code to be sent on your email address. Once you receive the code, paste it in or type it in the boxes. After typing it down, tap submit. Now, tap on the confirm button, then you'll be able to connect to your Heyday account. Wait for the game to load, and then that is how you'll be able to log in and access your Heyday account using Supercell. That is how it's done. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back with more videos like this. Goodbye till then.